Adding a QR code to your project can be a smart way to share information without typing a long website address. These quick response codes can easily unlock information when you scan them with your phone, and many businesses are using them. So today I'm going to show you how to make your very own QR codes using Canva and for free. To create these codes, I'm going to use 2 free apps inside the platform. So let's start by opening Canva and starting a new project. Then look for the app section on the left side of your screen. In the next step, you need to type QR code in the search box. Here you will see tons of different apps you can use for creating QR codes. While you can choose any of them, I have the best experience with 2 of them. The first I like to use is this one called QR code. Just click to open it and you will see a box where you can type your website address or message. Type in what you want your QR code to link to. You can also change the colors if you want. Pick a background color and a color for the QR code itself. But for most of my projects, I get for the standard colors, which means white background and black foreground colors. But you can choose the colors you prefer. Once done, click generate and your QR code will appear in your project. This way is super easy and quick. But if you want to make your QR code look interesting, that's where our second app comes in. Start in Canva again and go to the app section. Search for QR code like before. This time look for an app called Dynamic QR code and open it. Once you accept the terms of this app, you will see many different templates to choose from. Pick one you like. Type in your website or message just like before. But now you can change how your QR code looks. You can change the pattern color, eye color, frame color, and even add your own logo to that QR code. When you are happy with how it looks, click Add to Design. The second way gives you more choices to make your QR code look special. You can match it with your style or make it stand out. With this second app, you can even enable dynamic QR code. This means you can easily edit the destination link or view detailed analytics. However, this feature requires you to connect to a special account and it's not free. So as you can see, making QR codes in Canva is easy. And with this video tutorial, you have learned 2 ways to do it, the simple way and the fancy way. Both are free and let you share information in a cool, modern way. Remember, QR codes are like bridges. They connect the real world to the digital world. By making your own QR codes, you are building these bridges. You are helping people find information quickly and easily. So, go ahead, give it a try. Make a QR code today and see where it takes you. So, I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. If you like it, consider subscribing to the channel or watching other tutorials about Canva.